everything it takes to make sure that he gets it, accompanied by the respective individuals who signed the same. Thank you very much. As we hand over this declaration of support to the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. Thank you very much. Makofi watu wa Kiambu tafadhali, makofi. Thank you very much. We appreciate Baba. Asante sana Baba. Asante Baba, tunashukuru, asante. So that is a declaration right there of support. Like we said, ours is not an MOU. We believe in Azimio. We are members of Azimio. So we are telling Baba we are going to support you unconditionally. When you get in there, Baba, those are small little issues. We know our government has done a lot. Let us sort that one out and we are happy. We're going to be a happy people as Kiambu people. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Baba kututembelea. Tunashukuru sana. Tafadhali. Tuketi. Asante Baba. Asante Baba. Thank you. Moving forward now, I hand it back to His Excellency Governor James Nyoro so that he can take it to the next level. Asante.